Also,
Okay, good morning, Miss. Is it true that I'm talking to Miss Sri Rahmawati?
good morning, Miss. Yes, that's true. I am Rahma.
Okay, my purpose of calling you is to interview you about your goals and your readiness to apply for a job at Alibaba Restaurant. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, then, first of all, would you like to tell me about yourself?
Introducing Mrs. Vidya. My name is Sri Rahmawati. I am 18 years old, domiciled in Jakarta. I am fresh graduate from SMKN 11 Jakarta at 2022, majoring in office administration. For 3 years of school, I have a high passion in the office field. During school, I managed to be the class champion in a row. I'm also active in several school organizations, but I do that by staying focused on my subjects so that I can graduate with the best grades.
Okay, so what is your weakness and your strength?
One of my strengths is the ability to manage time and can adapt quickly. I organize my time as much as possible when street vendors on of the projects I work on requires me to type quickly and communicate formally handling incoming and outgoing calls which requires skills and techniques that I have. And with these skills, I'm able to work together to make work more efficient. I understand that the position I'm applying for will have a lot to do with adapting to other people, and I think the strengths I have are indispensable for this job, especially working in a team. But there are several shortcomings that I have, one of which is a lack of experience because I am a new graduate, so I usually understand the world of work. I'm also a person who is often driven by one task, so I often ignore other tasks. I can handle this more important or urgent work, including deadlines and scheduling my daily tasks to be more organized. I also exercise regularly to improve focus at work.
Okay, please tell me about your experience job.
When I was in school, I had street vendors experience at the Maritime Museum. What I did was I filled out incoming and outgoing mail documents. I entered daily data or visitor absences. In addition, I also work part-time in a restaurant by being a waiters. And to find additional income, I sell online shop.
Okay. Uh, would you like? Eh, why do you leave your previous job?
Because at the because at that time my PKL time was up. And for other jobs such as part-time, I left because at that time my position was about to have an exam and I had to focus on the exam. Well, my online shop was closed because I could not manage my finance, so my capital didn't come back and I ended up having a loss due to that incident. I want to learn I want to learn more and explore more deeply and change my mindset and develop myself professionally.
Okay. Would you like to tell me about simple routine tasks of occupation that you apply?
Simple routine tasks that I applied for as administrative staff were correspondence, recording, compiling, and entering data, bookkeeping, setting agendas, telephone calls, and other technical matters to support the achievement of company goals.
Okay, Miss. If Alibaba restaurant accept you, what will you do?
What I will do is make a maximum contribution to the progress of this Alibaba restaurant. Even though I am a new graduate, but I already have experience that can be used as benchmark for me to be able to join this restaurant. I will work according to the company's operational standards. I will prove my performance and the company can see the results of my performance over the next 2 years.
Okay, so if you work at Alibaba restaurant, how much salary do you expect to earn?
Previously, uh, previously, I have received information that the salary for administrative staff position in the city of Jakarta range from 3 million to 4 million on average. Therefore, I want a salary that can be negotiated. The basis of my expectations is to have experience working in a restaurant and my competence in the field of office administrations. I'm sure I can provide good value for this restaurant.
Okay, that's enough, miss. If we accept you in Alibaba restaurant, I will call you later. Thank you, miss.
Thank you, Miss Vidya. Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye. Udah selesai. 6 menit sama sih, mau 7 menit.